It's a nice package you got there.
It's actually got several nice packages. We're working on getting all the package mailed out.
Everybody meet Jacob 2.0. Yes, the original Jake that worked with me. He moved with his family out to Delaware. I wish him the best. It just so happens that another Jacob took his place. Small world.
While he's over here working on getting all of these packages labeled up and getting ready to ship, I am working on this month's giveaway. Check out this baby. This is a K45SS. This is an old school Hobart model. So this is some high quality right here. This machine has not been through the refurbishing process yet, but we will get it refurbished before we get it sent out. But take a look at that beauty.
If you're not aware yet, we do have a $3 and $5 monthly subscription where we give away a machine that we refurbish every single month. If you'd like to sign up for that, just simply go to our website, mrmixer.store. We'll link it in the description below. You can go ahead and get signed up for that and have your chance to win a machine every single month. Now, we only have 58 subs right now, so the odds of winning are fairly high. If you are a subscriber, there has been a change to the subscription. We are actually doing the drawings on the 30th of every month. I used to do them on the 16th. I don't know why. My ADHD brain just does not allow me to meet deadlines in the middle of the month. It's really stupid. I moved it to the end of the month. Here we are. I'm making it on the day for the first time in like 2 months, so I apologize for that. I am going to do my best to keep up to date with everything, get back on top of this. We've been really busy in the shop, and just working on some new things, so it's kind of been throwing me off track a little bit, but we're back, baby, we're back! So I've actually not tested this machine yet, so let's plug it in, let's turn it on, and see what it sounds like.
Alright, baby, what are you telling me? Come on, speak to daddy. Oh Lord, she is angry.
Alright, so this old girl runs, you can tell obviously, a little bit noisy. So let's go ahead and take a listen to this here. This is an indication of there being a bad bearing bracket on the machine. It allows for a lot of vibration in the rear end. We'll run through the speeds real quick. I'll show you here. You can tell when we start off in stir and 2, it's just the RPMs are slow and it allows for a lot of vibration in there. But as we pick up the speeds, you can kind of hear that rumbling sound go away. That's a good indication that either A, you need a new bearing bracket, or there's some loose nuts in there. I'll show you.
So here's the sound I was talking about here. You hear that rumbling sound? I don't know how you couldn't hear it, but take a listen. It'll start to go away as we increase speeds. So you can hardly hear it there. You can't hear it there. And now it's pretty much all gone. All right, let's take a little peeky peek right here real quick. So we're going to have to go ahead and take this screw out. This is going to reveal the electronics in the rear end of the machine. All right, so this is what we got going on in the back of the machine here. You can tell it's pretty dirty. It's been used. This is all, some flour that's been caking up back there. Now this piece is still functioning. This is a speed control plate right here, but we might go ahead and replace that just because it is so dirty. But let's look at the real issue here that we're having. As I said, the bearing bracket. So the bearing bracket is what this actually mounts into. Back here, you see this little, I guess, gray in the back there. It's just a big bracket. When you take it out of the machine, it looks like this right here. So the end of the motor shaft actually goes through this little bearing right here, and what happens is this bearing gets loose. It's kind of held in place by a little clip in the back end. It just gets bent, it gets all out of whack, which allows this little bearing to get loose, and then this whole little piece in the middle can actually start to wiggle, which is what causes that vibration sound. Now there is another reason that could be happening. Sometimes it will fix the issue, sometimes it won't. But if you take a look back here, you can see there's a nut right there. There's one on the other side in the same place right there. If those things get loose, it can allow this whole thing right here to move, and that'll also cause a lot of vibration in there. Now these ones are tight, so we do know that the bearing bracket itself will need to be replaced.
And that's Mr. Mixer's tip of the day. So it's currently 7 a.m. right now. I've been up since 5:30 working on a list. A list? What list?
Well, that's right, the list of all the subs. So we actually have 58 subs there. You can see that line column. We got 58 subs.
Yeah, I've been up since about 5:30 this morning working on this. We're going to go ahead and get this ready to go, get them into our wheel. If you've seen my giveaways before, you've seen the wheel. So we're going to get these in there. We're going to go ahead and give this bad boy away. Oh no, the wheel's blank. That's okay. That's nothing that a little copy paste won't fix. Let's go ahead and paste her in. There we go. Check out all of those beautiful names on the list. Let's get ready to draw this. Before we go ahead and draw, I want to show off this awesome piece of fan art that I got here.
So this is actually sent to me by a TikTok follower that goes by the handle name of the Cowfish, and this thing is absolutely awesome. I absolutely love this little drawing here. And I think what I'm gonna do actually, and I spoke with the creator of this piece of art here, is I'm gonna take this right here and I'm gonna clip it out of here. I'm not gonna cut it because I wanna keep this thing. I'm gonna hang it up on the wall, but I'm gonna scan this in, and I actually wanna put this design on a t-shirt.
Now I'm working on a line of t-shirts, just, you know, for something cool to do, I guess. But I want to put that on there since it's a bowl race. I want to start a line called Positivities. And I want to, with the bowl race, I want the shirt to have that picture on there, and I want it to say, be uplifting. How cool is that?
Don't worry, for all of you Tilthead fans out there, I'll also do one for a Tilthead as well, and I think what it's gonna say is, don't get tilted.
I'm an idiot. Alright, enough of the nonsense. Let's give that thing away.
All right, let's spin this bad boy. Round and round and round she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. Who's it gonna be? Sarah Fitzgerald! Congratulations! Bang, 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 bang!
Congratulations, Sarah. I hope you are just as excited as I am excited for you. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you want to get on the action, like I said, make sure to hit our website. We'll link it below, and go to the subscription tab and sign on up. I guess I gotta get to work here. I gotta get this baby ready to ship out. We'll see you next time.